Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to unban your Bigo Live account in a very easy step and in a very free method. Now to do so you need to simply make sure that you have installed your Bigo Live account and you remember the username of your Bigo Live which you have kept while creating your account. So now if you want to unban your Bigo Live account, you need to simply go on Google Chrome on a device and you need to search customer and click on it, and at the very top of the page you'll see the page like contact us or the link like contact us, and under contact us you'll see the options like corporate headquarters, UAE office, email, Bigo Live customer service, and you'll see the email of various corporations like Global Turkey Gaming Corporation and so on. So now if you are from UAE, you may simply use the option of UAE, or if you want to contact the customer service center, then you may simply copy the email and you may go on your Gmail and you may simply write an email to you. So you need to click on the option of compose, and now you need to click on the option of paste, and now you need to write a subject of the email, and you need to compose the email by saying that I request you guys to unban my account on Bigo, and you need to simply write the username of your account and send it to the email which is at the very top, which you have entered right here. And now to send it you need to click on the arrow like icon in the very top right hand side. So after doing that Bigo will verify your email and unban your account if it has not violated any rules of it or agreement of it. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.